We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Power consumption of 12,000 BTU air conditioners, 1 ton, 3.5 kilowatts. 12,000 BTU air conditioner units consume 991 EER, 12.1 to 1,333 watts EER, 9, which is a bit low for these units by today's standards. An EER of 11.3 is average for new 12,000 BTU window units, translating to a wattage of 1,061 watts.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.